When using SMART Notebook, you'll find your toolbar here at the top of the page. The first tool is your selector tool, and right below it are your pens. Anytime you're using a notebook file, you should be using these tools to write with. There are a lot of different writing tools to choose from, such as this calligraphy pen. When I select the pen, you'll see I have a drop-down menu with a lot of options, including a shape recognition pen. Now when I draw a shape, it makes a more accurate version. Next to my pens are the text feature. Here is where I can change all of my fonts or colors. Above that are different shapes that I want to add. I select the shape and then drag it onto my page. I also have an eraser function in the right-hand corner, but it's important to note, as you can see here, I can't erase anything that's an object. I can only erase what I've written. To erase objects, I have to use the selector tool, and once they're highlighted, I can push delete. Next to my Insert Objects button, I have a polygon button. Here I can choose much more complex shapes and even choose the fill color or line color I want to use. Below that is the Line button. Here I select which line I wish to add, and I drag it across my page. You can see that there are a lot of different choices to meet whatever needs you may have in your classroom. When I've added an object or a line, I need to use the selector tool to manipulate it. I can select it and erase it, or I could use the drop-down menu to lock it in place. If I grab one of the sides, I can drag it out or move it however I see fit. It's important to note you must select it in order to erase. The final button is the Fill button. If there's a blank object or a picture you wish to color, select this Fill option and choose which color you want to add.